Canadian, and you guys know the best thing about coming to the States is going to Trader Joe's, and we are so excited. I'm gonna take you guys on a little shopping trip. We're gonna do a haul at the end. Stay tuned. All right, we drove 12 hours back to Calgary last night. It was a very long drive, but we made it, and I'm so excited to show you guys our Trader Joe's haul. Let's get into it. All right, first up, we've got these Bomba peanut snacks. They were only 99 cents. I really like the packaging. It's got like a hot air balloon on it. I'm not a peanut snack fan. This was clearly a Davey add to the cart. 99 cents, can't really go wrong to try a new snack. Well, maybe we'll have to check in. We also got this heirloom popcorn with avocado oil and pink salt. We clearly dug into the bag yesterday on the drive home. The popcorn pieces are so tiny. This is the largest piece of popcorn in the bag, but it's really good. I'm surprised we didn't eat the whole bag, but it's got a very mild flavor. There's only 3 ingredients, the 3 you see on the bag, so can't go wrong. These were $1.99. Gorgonzola gnocchi! You talked about this so much. All right, you and Jay got to try this. You were camping last fall. Now I need to try it. Next up, we've got this gnocchi al gorgonzola. I love that all the Trader Joe's stuff, the branding, if it's like Italian, it's Trader Gioti's. Joe in Italian. We picked this up, it was $3.29 per bag. There's 450 grams in the bag, so it'll probably be a great little side for us. And the reason we picked this up is because last fall, when Davey was there, him and Jay ate this, and Davey came back and this was all he could talk about. Nothing about the PNW, but the gnocchi at Trader Joe's. So I'm excited to give it a try, and hopefully I like it. Can't really go wrong with gorgonzola because cheese. Sorry, vegans.
Woohoo! Yeah, boy! Got some gorgonzola. Riding in style. Ooh, get that cheese sauce.
That might be the best sauce I've ever had.
Yeah.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Living my best life over here.
We also picked up this organic 3-grain tempeh for $1.99. This is a protein substitute, so this one is for you vegans. The reason I picked it up is because we tried tempeh in Bali, and I really liked it because tofu is nasty. I hate the soft texture, it's disgusting. But this was like grilled or fried or sauteed or something, so it was kind of crispy and crunchy, and it did not taste like fake meat. So I'm excited to give this a try, add it to salads or whatever. It's gonna be yummy. Fire roasted sweet corn. Perfect addition to salsa, soup, stew, pizza, Mexican entrees. This is roasted corn from Trader Joe's, but it's Trader Jose's. It's probably Mexican Joe. That's so funny. We have been loving adding corn to our pizzas, as a vegetable, obviously in tacos. And this says you can add it to salsa, soup, stew, pizza, and Mexican entrees. It looks really yummy. I'm excited to give it a try. Plus it's super sweet, fire roasted. I love everything sweet. Caramel filling.
Crazy.
Yum. We also picked up some dark chocolate. It's got caramel with black sea salt. I love mixing like salty, savory things with sweet things. So I'm excited to give this a try, and it was only $1.99. And for good chocolate, I feel like that's a pretty good price because the ingredients listed on the back, there's not a bunch of like color XYZ. Yuck. Good little after dinner snack. Just the right amount of salt and heat. That's pretty good. Mango, pineapple, delicious enhancements to grilled meats. Let's try it. All right, we also picked up some spices. We got this Trader Joe's chili lime spice. I feel like it'll be great to add to all of the Mexican stuff we try and cook. It was $1.99. We actually have a lot of spices, but when you're at Trader Joe's and you got cool spices like this, you can't pass them up. This was $2.69. This is South African smoke seasoning blend. I think it's got 7 different spices added into it. And I'm South African, so I was like, gotta pick it up. And I picked one up for my parents, so hopefully they like it. They love barbecuing in the summer, so this will be great to add on to meats and whatever else. Oh, spices. Everything but the bagel. This is stuff to get. Getting it. $2. And lastly for seasoning, I had to pick this up. This is Everything But the Bagel Sesame Blend. I see people on Instagram use this all the time. They add it onto meat or in salads or whatever, and everyone always talks about this, so I had to get it. It was only $1.99, not bad. I'm gonna be that Canadian on Instagram, talking about this all the time now. Italian blood orange soda. It's like Pellegrino, but bigger. This was the only drink we bought. This is the Villa Italia Italian blood orange soda. I love the San Pellegrinos in the summertime. It will be really fun to crack open over dinner with some friends in the summertime, maybe out on the patio, and it was only $2.99. All right, we got some fun little, I don't even know what to call them, spreads and dips. Got some spicy smoky peach salsa. Missed opportunity, they didn't put Trader Jose's on here. I love salsa, and I love trying like mango salsa, pineapple salsa, but I've never seen peach salsa, so I'm really excited to try this, and I'm gonna be really bummed if we love it and then we have to wait another year to buy some. It's good salsa. We should have bought 10 jars. It's so good. It was only $2.29. It reflects the relaxed spirit of Bellini cocktails enjoyed in the Piazza San Marco in Venice, Italy. Yum. $4. This is Trader Joe's Peach Bellini Jam. It was a little bit more expensive, it was $3.99. That just sounded so interesting to me because on the side it says, light and flavorful, it reflects the relaxed spirit of Bellini cocktails enjoyed in the Piazza San Marco in Venice, Italy. So anything that can take me back to Italy, I am all for. And I didn't even try Bellini in Italy, but now I'm gonna have to go back and do it. Lastly, for like spreads, dips, I got this fig butter. It is not butter, it's fig jam, but South Africans love figs. I love figs, and I picked up an extra one for my parents to try because they also love figs, and it was $2.49. Davey and my go-to meal when we're lazy is like either spaghetti and pasta or like a quick chicken curry dish, and so I was really pumped because Trader Joe's has some awesome pasta curry sauces. I'm gonna try and make a green curry. That could be fun. First up, we've got this Thai green curry simmer sauce. Davey loves green curry, and we've never cooked green curry at home, and this was only $1.99, so it'll be fun to experiment, and hopefully we don't get sick. I'm really excited, and I just love that Trader Joe's has like very simple ingredients listed. There's no like weird thing that you can't pronounce in here. So we also got this masala simmer sauce. This was $2.69, and again, we just love cooking these things when we're feeling lazy, and so having a sauce that you can just heat up and throw over the chicken and rice and vegetables is so convenient. We're excited to try this. All right, this is some roasted garlic pasta sauce. It says Trader Giotto's again, Giotto's? Italian Joe, you got me. Again, we're always looking for sauces that we can just heat up and throw over pasta and meat or whatever. And $1.99 for this large jar is a pretty good deal, so had to pick it up. Also, right before we went to Trader Joe's, we watched this video about how Trader Joe's has like very limited selection, where normal grocery stores will have like 40 pasta options, but Trader Joe's only has 14. So when we were there, I counted and I was like, they have 15, but it's because they added this new one, which I guess just came out recently. Pink pasta sauce. Tomato, beet, cauliflower, chickpea, and a touch of citrus. Do you think it would be good? Let's try it. Just because it's weird. We got this one. They added this one. It is a creamy pink primavera pasta sauce. And I'm a millennial, so I had to pick it up because it's pink, obviously. And when we were cashing out, the guy said that it was really good, very creamy, but had like a little bit of a kick to it. And it's pink, so I'm excited to see how it looks on pasta. It might be weird to eat, but I'm excited. All right, lastly, I want to talk about this Tingle shampoo and conditioner. While we were there, I saw that it's $4 a bottle. I saw that it was $4 a bottle, which is still a pretty good deal for the amount you get. But when I originally picked these up a year ago, they were $2 a bottle. So the price did go up quite significantly in a year. So I didn't pick any more up this time because I still have to unopened bottles, but I have tried it before. Very good shampoo and conditioner, really clean for your hair too. So if you're looking for these, go check them out at Trader Joe's. Otherwise, I don't know, stick with whatever you got. And that's it for our Trader Joe's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to try and cook with a bunch of these. I'm so inspired by all the different things. So if you guys want to see some cooking stuff, maybe head to my Instagram stories because I share a lot of day-to-day stuff there at Zandalee. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe, comment, all those things. I hate saying it, but please do. Thank you.